much better, guys. Check that out. Side scoops were finally able to be installed. Just one last step. Just got to make sure the doors don't get in the way. Opens fine. We're good. Right there. We're good. Yep. So what happened, guys, is that the 3M that American Muscle sent out that time really sucked. Like when I would put it against the paint, against the car, it just wasn't installing correctly. So what happens is that I had some old 3M from other products that I've ordered from American Muscle, and I used that 3M instead of the one they sent out this time, and it worked way better. As you can see, they're on there good. They ain't going anywhere. I'm not gonna pull too hard because I mean the 3M hasn't dried 100%, but I do have 3M along this line, down here, and on this vent as well. So it's pretty stuck on there. It's not gonna go anywhere. Even at high speeds, it's gonna be there for good. And again, big shout out to Revival's Auto Spa, guys. They're the ones that got this painted, and the paint looks really good, really paint match. They're the ones that got the wing on for me, and now they have my sister's side scoops. Check them out, guys, if you haven't. If you're local and need something painted, check them out. Always pleasure working with them as well. But yeah, man, looks really good. That 3M is so much better than the old one. I don't know why American Muscle's 3M is always on point, but since it is MP Concepts, it might be just their 3M instead of American Muscle. But I'm gonna go ahead and ask my sister to come check out the car, see what she thinks now. Yeah.
Wait, no, don't record me.
Too late. Cute. Why do you guys say cute? You and Dress say it's cute,
that?
or other girls say cute. It's not cute. There's a big difference between
Cool.
cute and badass.
I said cute. I said cute and cool. Yeah.
By the way, guys, if you guys are doing any type of like 3M install, wings, side scoops, louvers, I totally recommend you guys to like purchase these. 3M sells them as well. This is an adhesion promoter. I got this like off of eBay, just the Chinese version of it, but this works so much better than alcohol. Obviously, I use alcohol to clean the area so you can remove like any waxes or glazes that are on the area, because it might affect the way the 3M sticks to the paint to the car. But if you use this, guys, oh man, as soon as you put the 3M on the car, it's really difficult to take off. So this helps out so much whenever you're doing these installs. Let me know what you guys think. It looks really good. Again, these were from American Muscle. We did get these unpainted for about 80 bucks, but now they look really good. We got them painted through Revival's Auto Spa. They hooked it up. The paint's on point, man. I'm not gonna lie. It actually looks better than the rest of the car just because it's newer. So we might have to get this polished up or paint corrected. Everything's eBay except for that side scoops there. And we might have to add that gurney flap as well on the spoiler. And I think she wants a new license plate, maybe a custom one or just a black one. All right, guys, so we're back at the modification headquarters. We're their favorite mechanic, favorite YouTube assistant right here, Efrain. So he has a little surprise for us. We haven't been here in a couple of weeks. I've been super busy, guys, but he told me he has a surprise for us and let us know what's up. Woo! She's finally alive, guys. I got goosebumps. I don't know if y'all can see that. How do you feel? Good? Excited. Damn. Badass. There you go, guys. Full coyote swap on his Fox body. I think it was 1992 Fox body or 82. I'm not too sure. I already forgot. Up and alive, up and working. Wow, man. Woo! Dang. I'm excited for you, dude. Congrats. Anyways, guys, like I said, we are in modification headquarters right now, and I have something, guys. I know a lot of you guys have been commenting on my videos, and I read every comment. You guys have told me to get the gloss black deck lid, to tint the tail lights. Don't worry, guys. I have a vision for the car, and actually all that is in already. As you can see, I already got the Shelby spoiler. And talking about the spoiler, guys, I don't know if you guys can help me out with this. I told you all we have, oh, it's too dark right now. We have these holes. Oh, I got the flashlight. We got these holes. We got 4 extra holes that the spoiler does not cover. So there was 2 options that I'm thinking of doing, either buying a new trunk, and I already got the price for it. It's about $500 on eBay. The reason why it's expensive because I have to pay for freight, shipping, or the next thing would be is just to weld these and try to get them fixed and painted. So I'm not sure how that's gonna work out, but I do have a vision for this car for the rear, guys. A big refresher. As you can see, the spoiler already did a big change. So I haven't told you guys, I think, yet, but we do have a pair of quad tips for the car. And if you guys are 10 to 12 owners, you guys know that there's no bumper for it unless you do a 13 through 14 conversion, which gets a little bit pricier because you got to get the, unless you get the same color as your car, you have to get it repainted as well, and then you have to get the GT500 valence, and you still have to cut into that and get the quad tips. Or you can stick with your 10 through 12 valence and then cut it, which is what we're gonna do today. And I'm kind of sketched about it, I'm kind of freaked out about it because we have to cut. We don't have a template for it, so we have to cut maybe about 3 inches more out this way. What are you doing? Wash me, I know. Yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and check it out, see if we can do that. There's one thing, we might have to get them welded, or I do have the clamps. I don't know if they'll clamp on because I have no idea where these quad tips are from. I just know they're from another Mustang from a 5.0, so hopefully they fit. If not, we're gonna have to weld them. The crazy thing, guys, is that this guy buys the stupidest and randomest things in the world. Well, it's not stupid because obviously now we need it, right? He bought a welding machine, so he's been pricing his welding. So if anything, we might actually have them welded, which is better than having them clamped on, in my opinion. And I told him I don't care if the welding is whack, as long as they're not going anywhere, they don't move, and they're like on center, on point. It's fine with me. No one's gonna look under the car and see the welding on it. So yeah, so that's the project for today. And like I said, guys, the rear is gonna be a big changer, man. Big difference when we're done with it. I got a vision. Hopefully you guys like it. So just stay tuned for that. So that was a big major fail. Apparently the quad tips are 2.5, you said, right? The quad tips are 2.5 inches. I guess the inlet and the outlet on the Roush exhaust is a 2. So obviously these are a lot bigger. They're not gonna fit. I had no idea the sizing on this, the dimensions, because I bought it off of somebody, I bought it used. I just know it was off of another Mustang. So now when we try to put them in, it's like super loose. Like there's no welding that can help in, or the clamps. The only way to do is maybe with an adapter or something like that. So this is gonna be a no-go. So I'm gonna see if I can get some other quad tips to fit. If not, I might just have to get a new rear valence. It's fine, I wanted the Boss 302 one anyways, because now we have a big hole on that exhaust. So what he's doing now, he's gonna help me out and do another hole just so it can be a little bit even, and I'll show you guys right now the result on that, because it's really messed up. But I'm not gonna end the video here yet. As y'all saw, my roof is kind of messed up. It's kind of sun damaged with the wrap, so I'm gonna try to wet sand it and then buff it out. Hopefully that helps out. If not, then we just end up wrapping it up as well. So on the plus side, it's really smooth, but you can see it's already burned out. The paint, you can see it's just the base coat already. So my only fix repair for this is gonna be just getting it painted. So I'm gonna try to get on that ASAP because I don't want I don't want any rust or anything accumulating there. So that's a no-go. And like I said, guys, the quads were a no-go as well. Let me see, I can show you guys real quick if he moves his big head out of the way. Look at that. It's a big ass hole. The quad tips didn't work out well. So what I told them is, you can help me out and just do the same hole on this side so it wouldn't be that uneven. So he made a hole on this side as well. So that's a big no-go for us today. So unfortunately, that's gonna be it for the video, guys. We got nothing done today other than I buffed the roof, but it didn't really help out because when I sanded it down, I saw some of the red paint come off. So that means I was taking out some of the clear coat. So I'm gonna try to get on that, like I said, ASAP, try to get it painted gloss black. And the quad tips, if I can't find a solution for that, I'm just gonna have to order a new rear valence. And I did want the GT500 / Boss 302 one anyways. So, and I can probably add like the RTR trim to it. It's like a 3-piece set, so I'll probably add that as well. But man, it sucked. Everything that could go wrong went wrong with this video. We got nothing accomplished today other than just make bigger holes on the car and take off some paint from the roof. So man, super disappointing, but that's gonna wrap it up. Like I said, I'll catch you guys on the next one. God bless.